These are the instructions for your Harrison Bergeron expository prompt that you're going to be starting working on today. If you notice in this document, which is on Google Classroom, you see a prompt here at the top that looks much like what you're going to see on the actual STAAR test. Usually it has a box with some sort of quote or some piece of information like you see here. Then it's going to have your think statement and your write statement. So this one has a quote that is about equality. And then the think statement says, think carefully about the idea of equality. Is equality always a good thing? Now, remember that the think statement is not your writing prompt. That should not be the basis of your essay. It's just there to get you thinking and to kind of get you on the right track. Do not write your essay about whether or not equality is always a good thing, because that is not your prompt. The prompt is your write an essay statement, which says write an essay explaining either the benefits or the disadvantages of equality. So you need to choose whether equality is a good thing or a bad thing and write an essay about what benefits it has or what disadvantages it has. Notice it does not say and. You're not writing about both. You're only writing about either the benefits or the disadvantages. So right now, as you're thinking about it, you need to decide whether you're going to write about how equality is good or how it is bad. Okay, so then you're going to start the steps for how to start the prompt. Okay, it says read the write statement first. That's the basis of your essay. Brainstorm about the topic. Pick the 2 strongest ideas. So right here under the purple box, it says, what is your essay going to be about? You need to write a sentence that says whether or not you're going to be writing about the benefits or disadvantages of equality. So for example, yours might say the benefits of equality. Okay, so that's the topic of your essay. Okay, then your next step is to brainstorm. How is equality good? What are the benefits of equality? And list in that green box, below the green box, list as many as you can. If you choose to write about the disadvantages, then list as many disadvantages of equality as you can. Okay, then once you've listed as many as you can, you're going to choose the best 2. So highlight the best 2. To highlight, you select the words or the statement that you want to choose. Click on the highlighter and then choose whatever color you want. Okay, so you're going to highlight in this list right here, you're going to highlight the best 2 options from your brainstorming. Okay, once you do that, then you're going to write a truism. A truism is a true, general, universal statement about life that you can use to start your essay with. Okay, so something that's generic like no 2 people are the same. Okay, that dealing with equality. Okay. Something like that. Failure is never fun to experience. Okay, it's a very generic, very open-ended, universal statement. So that's how you can start your essay. Obviously, the failure one I just used will not apply to this essay, but the equality one, no 2 people are the same, or no 2 people are exactly alike, would apply to this essay. Okay, so down here, you're going to type a relevant truism based on the essay prompt. Okay, a general statement before you start actually putting in your thesis. Okay, next, after you've written your truism, you're going to come down and you are going to fill in the bubble map. Okay, it says fill in the bubble map below, click the image for the link. So you're going to click on the image and then click on the link. And it's going to take you to a link where you can actually fill this in online. Remember, the middle is what's going to go, or what you wrote here, the actual topic of your essay. Okay, and then you have your introduction, your truism, and your thesis. Then you have your main paragraph 1, main paragraph 2, and conclusion. Okay, once you have completed that, you're going to copy and paste the URL of that document here so that I can see your finished product. It's labeled, it has instructions on it. You just type directly on there, just like we've done in the practices we've done before. Okay. So once you've completed that, you're going to copy and paste the URL, which is whatever this is up here on your bubble map. Once you go to this link, copy that and paste it right here, and that'll help me to see your bubble map when it's done. Okay. Once you've done that, you can go on to the next step, which is begin writing your essay. Okay. When you click on this link, it's going to take you to a example of the lined paper that you'll see on the STAAR test, and you're going to type your essay directly on that. Once you're done with typing your essay using your bubble map and all of your planning, then you will copy and paste the URL from that document and paste it here. And that's the last step. Then you can turn in this document on Google Classroom, and I will have access to all of your pre-writing, your bubble map, and your actual essay. If you have any questions about this process, ask Mrs. Brannon, or you can email me or send me a comment on it on Google Classroom, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But this is the process that you should be following is whenever you address a STAAR related prompt.